as we first bear in mind that the colors of the stars are more or less identical to the colors of what are called the human auras and chakras that are invisible to most people. We can also see how the 7 chakra colors that are arranged inside our auras are identical to the 7 colors of the stars, as well as in the same sequence of colors, with the 7 layers of our auras corresponding, perhaps not by coincidence, to the 7 atomic layering of the stars. Bear this in mind as you also bear in mind that the living stars are the atomic siblings of other living stars, as well as ourselves. The stars are our siblings, whereas the dead stars are the atomic ancestors of ourselves and the living stars. The stars, living and dead, might be alive and living vicariously through us is what I am getting at here. If that's the case, then this is how it's done. We can also see how the 7 chakra colors that are arranged inside our auras are identical to the 7 colors of the stars, as well as in the same sequence of colors. I also need to say that there are a couple of pieces of this color jigsaw puzzle that are missing in this video, because I can't find them on the internet yet, but I am not going to tell you what they are. It is worth noting that the coloring of one of the largest star types, like Class O blue giants, are more or less the same color and in the same sequence as our so-called third eye chakra. The similarities in coloring and sequence of the stars in our chakras are exceptionally uncanny, as if we are the incarnations of the stars themselves, living and dead. With us also bearing in mind that black holes are dead stars, as we also consider that black holes and stars are souls, if we take some of these book titles at face value. As you not forget that black holes are the remains of long dead giant stars. And with these examples of black auras being the only ones I could find on the web falling nicely into place here, as we also bear in mind that the stars are electrically charged due to nuclear reactions inside the star, just like we humans are electrically charged due to electrochemical reactions in our body. Just like black holes are electrically charged. With the life cycle of stars and humans also being identical to each other in an abstract way. And this brings us to the comparisons between the compatibility of human blood types compared to the various star types. But with us narrowing things down to the 3 largest classes of stars, e.g. the O, B, and A class stars, as compared to the A, B, O blood types and donor-recipient compatibility types, with O negative blood type people being universal donors, with AB positive blood types and their combinations being universal recipients. This is significant comparison-wise. And if you like this video, subscribe, share, and hit the like and notification buttons.